Hello everybody and welcome back. It's Creative Redundancy back again, also known as CR. Now in this video I'm going to be doing an ab plank. Basically it's an exercise to work out your core, and there'll be some other exercises in between as you will see. Now I'm also going to do a shout out to Happy Trails Hiking. I'll put a link in the description down below on their channel and an end screen at the end of the video that you'll see, so you can go check out their channel. I'm currently, doing this core challenge right now. Been doing it for this month and just doing it. Just doing it. You'll also see something else in there where I actually do the exercise with a go bag or an e-kit or an evacuation type of kit, because in a time of need, if you're using your evacuation kit, your go bag, your bug out bag for example, or whatever it is, you should be able to lift it, probably not effortlessly, but you can still do stuff with it, pull yourself out. Maybe do some push-ups with it or squats with it, for example. Still be able to move with it. Now obviously any weight on your back, any additional weight is going to reduce your mobility, but you should still be able to do something. Now you can see that I actually have a backpack on. So I'm going to do some planks with it. It weighs about 15 pounds. Now, I'm no expert in fitness or anything like that. I'm no trainer or anything like that. Not the most fit person in the world, but what you just saw is what I can do at the moment. And hopefully I can do better, or do it longer, or more reps and stuff like that. So as the world changes, so must oneself. To reach a new level of skill and knowledge, one must practice. A single person can't help everyone in this world, but one person can help someone in this world. And until the next video, it's peace out from the guy that's getting back into shape and always in creation mode at least 98.6% of the time. It's peace out from CR, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.